to my channel. So today there's an emergency. I just got a message from my friend Nicole. Well, Nicole has now a new baby bird as sun conure, and the sun conure got bitten by her macaw. So we are heading right now to help them out because there's no avian vet available right now. She's freaking out. He was bleeding in his head, and I'm driving right now in traffic for the past hour. So I need to get there as soon as possible because I have a first aid kit for my bird right here. So I'm gonna help them out. I also have the sick bird treatment right here and some meds. And then I have a box right here, and I have a warming here. I can show you a heating warming mat. So I'm gonna bring this all to Nicole, and I'm gonna help her to get Blaze back on his feet. I have pain mats, and like if there is a bird that needs help, everybody always calls me, and I don't want to be helpless. I have everything in place for first aid if there's no avian vet available, because that happens to me once. Dino was sick and he died, and I had to watch tragically in my hand how he died. It's so sad because today also my other friend Robert just lost Jerkle, his little like lovebird female, and it just died. Like he woke up and she was like with the feet already like in the sky and on her back, and all what he could do is like just watch her die and bury her. But those birds, man, those little birds, they go so fast. They are so delicate, and they hide the signs. They hide the signs of sickness. But Blaze, he's a sun conure. He's a baby. She's still hand feeding him. She just got him last month, and I don't know what happened, but it was an accident, and I don't know, her big macaw got him, and he was bleeding on his head. So all what I know, like he was bleeding, the bleeding stops, and I'm heading right now over there to save this little guy. Also, when I got the text, I stopped everything, my work, everything, and I just jumped in the car, grabbed all the stuff that I need, and just got on the road, because time is so valuable, and it's all about time. So time is very valuable, and I hope this time will like help to get little Blaze back on his feet, because no avian vet is right now available. It's traffic. It will take me like 90 minutes to get there. So I'm gonna tune in once I'm there, and let's hope that we can save this little cutie. Prayers, please guys. Prayer helps. Look at traffic. Oh, bumper to bumper. Guys, what are you guys doing on the streets? I will be happy to work at home. Oh, so many people on the streets. Traffic.
An hour later.
So I just got to the location. I'm gonna grab this box, and I'm gonna grab all this stuff, and let's go inside. Hey Daniel, how's it going? Nicole isn't here?
I had to go into work. Sorry, we don't normally use this doorway, so.
Oh no worries. So what happened?
We have a divider right here, and Pilar knocked that divider over, and basically Blaze was on the other side in the kitchen. He got scared, tried to fly over to the cage, and while he was going to the cage, she kind of swatted at him in the air. I don't know. I got home, and I was down the street on my way home from work. Bang. And she calls me in hysterical.
And she had to go.
And she had to go to work. So
okay, so there he is.
Come on, Bobby.
Okay, wait, the dog is here. Can we take the dog out?
Take him out?
Oh, look at this little guy. Okay, let's get him out. But he needs to like be direct and warm, so he has to sit on the heating pad. So here's no animals. Everybody will be okay.
So boys, stop, please.
Do you have
Yeah, water.
water? I need water. Alright, so this is pain meds. The first thing what we're gonna do is I'm gonna give him some pain meds. And then,
Boys!
And then after the pain meds, I'm gonna wipe him clean with warm water and see how bad the wound is. And then I'll put some ointment on there and we'll bandage it up. And we'll put him on this heating pad. Put this heating pad and plug it in, and then we'll cover it so he's warm. This is direct under his butt. And then we'll cover it and put him in a warm place, and then just let him alone for the next 3 days. Like the bandage on, and he should be fine. So
I really hope so, because it's gonna destroy her if she loses this baby. She is so attached to that baby already.
Yeah, I know. Alright, so let's give him some baby formula. Do you have his hand feeding formula? We're gonna mix it with this.
I believe he just ate though. He's got a full crops.
We just need to put some pain meds in there.
Easy, Blaze. Easy, Blaze. It's okay, Blaze. Boys.
So let's clean the wound. Such a funny boy. Such a funny boy.
Kira, go! Kira! Go! Go!
You are so good. Good boy, you're so good. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put some ointment on and I'll bandage it up and we'll be fine. Like,
Are you using a bandage?
good boy.
Easy, bud.
Let's make it a little smaller. Just way smaller. Let's just close up here a little more. Alright. So it's very loose, so he can move his head to cover. You think when he scratch?
I think he should be fine. He's not really active once he goes back into his cage.
Alright. Looks like you have a little head. Wait, let me secure this part.
Oh, no, he just shook it off. There.
That's awesome.
There we go.
And a little hat now. Look at that. Look at you.
Hi, Blaze.
Look at you. All right, so we just made him a little hat like that, and so that it doesn't get infected, and it's very loose. He can turn his head back and forth. This is just improvisation, but I don't want that anything goes into his wound. And you see, he's trying to shake it off, but he should be fine. He should be fine. He should be fine. So we'll just let him sleep right now, and then give him this warm heat pad, cover his cage. And then that's it, right? Right, sweetie? Had a rough day? Had a rough day? Yeah, and the pain meds should kick in, so he shouldn't feel any pain, but it was just a very small little bite mark. He will be fine. He'll be fine. You, baby Blaze. You. He's tired. Let him rest. I'll let him rest. It's fine. So we have to put the heating mat into his cage, but this is the best for like getting.
Yeah, I'll get it set up right.
Okay. So first thing first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna let him rest now, and he got his pain meds, and he has anointing on there. So. You know, my friend's bird died today.
Her bird died?
Yeah.
What happened to her?
Oh, do you think it will go through the plastic, the warmth?
Yeah.
Yeah?
With our snake subs it does.
Okay.
Hello? Hi.
What's going on? Is your name?
Yeah, here you go.
Hey, Nicole.
Hi, Kayla. Thank you so much for coming.
It's all right. So everything is good. I'm gonna send you some pictures. He has a little cute hat on right now. I give him pain meds, and we cut some of his feathers on the top to see what's going on. He has just a very small bite wound, so nothing serious.
Thank God. I was worried about a hole.
No, there's no hole. That's just a small bite mark, and I put ointment on it, and we bandage it up so that it doesn't get infected. And he has also no way to shake it off because it's really good secured. And then after 3 days, he should be fine. And I brought also a heating mat, so he's gonna sit warm under. His butt will be like warm. And
Okay.
he's tired right now, so he needs to rest and sleep because he went through shock.
Okay, and then what about feeding him? Because, you know, they balk when they feed. So should Daniel still feed him tonight, or should he wait?
No, you feed him regularly, like always.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
nothing changed, just that he has now a little hat on.
Okay. I appreciate you coming by. I'm so sorry.
No worries. I'm glad like everything is okay and I could help.
I know, and I was like calling vets, and they're like, oh, we don't have a vet, or oh, we're closing soon, they're leaving soon, and it's like, I was so scared that he was gonna die, and the vet told me that they're more worried about internal brain bleeding than they are a scrape, so I just hope that he pulls through.
Yeah, there's no internal bleeding. It's just a little wound. He will be fine.
Okay, oh my God, like,
He barely-
it was just how everything happened. Like, I was feeding him on the counter, I was feeding him his 3 o'clock meal, and then there's like, I'm sure Daniel showed you that little black plastic thing, is Pilar knocked it over. She like busted through it, and then when it fell over, Blaze got scared because it was a big crash, so he started flying frantically, and then he landed on the cage that Pilar was on, and she just grabbed him by, and then she didn't hold on to him. It was just a quick bite, and then he flew away.
Yeah, it's just
So I
a
had to,
small
like,
bout.
chase him.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's just a small bite. Don't worry about it. It was an accident. Accident happens.
They do.
And,
I couldn't breathe. I was hyperventilating. I was like, all of my veterinary training was out the window because I'm freaking out, and I'm just like, oh my God. And I'm thankful that you were able to come by and look.
I was just like, oh shit, I need to get there as soon as possible. But yeah, he's fine. It's an accident. Don't blame yourself. Everything will be fine. He will be fine. I'm gonna put him right now in his cage, and then he has a heating mat underneath his cage too. I got him my seedling heating pad, and he's gonna just sit on there, be warm and sleep. So he's already sleeping right now on my finger.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no worries. I just, you know, I know the feeling being helpless and having no avian vet available and just like be in fear all the time and then watching your bird die. It's horrible.
I know, and that's why I told Daniel, like, I don't want to put this pressure on Caroline, but she understands what it feels like to be helpless because all of the avian vets are completely booked because you have their by appointment only, and there's not a lot of them, so then they're completely booked up. They don't accept emergencies, and then it's like, what are you supposed to do? You know,
Right.
It's horrible.
Yeah.
So, and then I was like, oh my god, if I take him to the vet, is the stress of the vet gonna you know, put him into even more shock? I was afraid of that.
Yeah,
That's why I
they'll
was
be
like,
more
it's
stressed
probably
too.
better if Caroline looks at it and when he's at home and he's not stressed out. You know, he's not less stressed out at home. Yeah. So, well, I'm thankful it's not a puncture because if it was a puncture, I was afraid that his skull was going to be fractured or something. But if it's just a scrape, then that's good. And I tried to look all over his other, like the rest of his body, and I didn't see any other punctures or blood or anything. So I think it's just on his head.
Yeah, we cut off some feathers off his head to see what's going on, and
He's
it's
an old
just
man. He's got a little old bald spot.
he has now a little. It will grow back. He's in
It'll grow back. I would rather him be bald than dead. So
Yeah.
He's got a little Peter Pan hat.
Yeah. He has a little white Peter Pan hat, which is really cute.
oh, thank you. I feel.
Those vet always freaks people out. Like,
Yeah.
oh, okay,
So
don't
I
freak
really
out.
hope that that's
Everything is okay. He's gonna sleep now, and then tomorrow's a new day.
Tomorrow's a new day, and I'll be home with him all day. I work graveyard tonight, and I would have called off, but I'm the only person working tonight, and then that would leave all of our hospitalized patients without a person. And then I figured it was probably better that I'm not there while you look at him, because if I start crying and freaking out, I'm going to stress him out, and I don't want to stress him out.
Yeah.
So I appreciate it greatly. I really do.
Yeah, you're welcome. All right, I'm gonna put him on his cage. He's sleeping in my finger, and
All right,
then
thank you.
I'll be on my way back to Pasadena.
Okay, thank you so much, Karen. I appreciate it.
All right, no worries. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. He's warm. Let's put him in a little corner. Yeah. Okay. Is it plugged in? Do you think we should put it under this? I think we should put it under this instead. Come on, step up again. So he'll be
We
warm.
can actually slide it under this.
Oh. That's the same thing though.
Is it? No, there's 2 layers of plastic there.
Oh, there's 2 layers of plastic? You are so cute. You are so cute with your little hat. Yeah. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, so I'll purchase that out. Let's make it all dark, and then he should be fine. All right. Good night, little Blaze. You'll be fine. Yeah. And then just hand feed him as normal.
Yeah, I'll check up on him in an hour or so.
Okay, cool. Okay guys, so that's it. Everything is fine. So if this happened to you, here are the steps you have to do. Number one, keep a cool head. You need to like really be cool because you need to like know what to do next. 2, always keep a first aid emergency kit in your house if you have birds. 3, always have a vet available. If you don't have a vet, have the emergency kit, because I'm not a vet. It's always good to see a vet, but if no vet is available, here's the steps what you have to do. If there's no vet available, but always go to a vet. If you have a vet, try. And I know it's hard to find an avian vet. To find a good avian vet and kind of like build a relationship with a good avian vet. If you don't have any vet and you are kind of like far away or they are not available, that happened to me when Dino died, and I just need to watch him how he died, and it was so horrible. My heart was broken. That's the reason why I'm always prepared now with birds. Real number 4, put on like Neosporin or some kind of ointment that it kind of like cannot get it infected. It's so important to put something on the wound that it doesn't get infected, and you have to stop the bleeding. You need to, number 5, you need a nice little space where it's dark and warm. Make sure like you have this heating mat or a heating lamp or something that is warm. Like he had covered the cage with a heating blanket, and I gave him my heating mat to put under it, my seedling mat, so the thing is warm. So the cage underneath when he sit is also like warm, came from underneath and warming his whole system. So make sure it's warm, because like a bird needs a warm, dark area so he can heal himself. And little guy was little in shock, but he was hopping around, so I knew he will be okay. So alrighty, this is the vlog. If you like this, if you learned something from it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, hit the notification button, comment below, and I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Oh, and if somebody is in need and needs help, like don't hesitate to not go out. Like I stopped all my work and I drove out in traffic to get here. So make sure to be there for someone and help someone who's really, really in need. And also, like if something happened, don't freak out. Just think positive. Like it says, oh, he's gonna die, oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. Don't. Just stop right now, there and then, and say he'll be okay. And encourage also, if your friend has a sick bird, says okay, he'll be okay, and just put like positive energy into that person so that the person won't freak out. And then and then just go from there. All right, so that's it. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.